Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Go on Guitar, Rod Wave. Call your friends. I love this melody, this song. Very catchy, and we also have the string pattern we can combine the song with. So let's take a look at this. Only 3 different chord here, guys, so very nice. But we need to set our capo high up here on the 7th fret because of the high notes we want to reach and have easy chords as well. So capo on 7th, okay? So let's take a look at the chords. Starting with the F, that's a bar chord. You have a bar placed on the 1st fret over all strings, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Moving on with the G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. And then finally we have the A minor 7. So that is open A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so we'll start with this picking pattern. We usually do that, and I really love this one. A little bit tricky to start with here in the beginning. I'm gonna explain it for you. It will have everything, but take some practice there at some parts there. So don't run away immediately. You're gonna give it some time here and it will be pretty easy after a while there. So starting with the F part, it goes like this. Okay, so that is 1st fret on E string together with open G, and I suggest that your starting point will be 1st fret on E string and 2nd on D. That's the grip I suggest here for this one. So 1st E and open G together, then 2nd D, then 3rd on A, then open G, and 1st B. Okay, so that is the F part. And when you go here with the index finger from the 1st E, once you pick that together with open G, make ready to go down here with the index finger to the 1st fret B string, because this goes pretty fast. So once you did that, you are ready for the 1st B string with your index finger. All right, so that is the F part. I believe perhaps the hardest part here is this transition here. Okay, then we'll go on with the G part. It goes like this. Okay, yeah, so 3rd fret on the E string in the bass together with the 1st B string, then open D, open G, and open B. A short little pause, and then again open G and 1st B, and that's the end of the G parts. So like that, okay? So that's the G part, and then finally the A minor part is like this. So that is a pick now. If you can pick open A together with open G and 1st B, then you go again with open G, and now you need to add 3rd fret on the E string down here, the top note. And I suggest that you hold this grip so you stay with the little pinky there on the 3rd fret E string, because now comes this part. Okay, so that is open G, 1st B, open G, then 2nd D, open G, 3rd E, and a short pause, and then the final note is 2nd A, like a transition note to start all over again. All right, so that is the A minor part. Just to go over this again, the final A minor part, There's many notes there. Not necessarily that hard because you pick from an actual chord. So, but many notes there. So I suggest that you hold the A minor 7 as it is to start with. So open A together with open G and first B. Then open G. And then you add the 3rd fret on the E string. And then comes this open G, first B, open G, 2nd D, open G, 3rd E, pause, and then 2nd A. And then you start all over again. So I'm going to take you through this one round slowly and then perhaps one round in standard tempo. It goes like this. Yeah, not that great. It's always harder to play it slower, in my opinion, once you learned it. But it's a great way to start with. You really need to take down the tempo and really hit the notes there. But with standard tempo, something like this. Alright, nice melody. A little bit addicted to play, and that's great. Alright, we will switch it up now. A little bit of strumming if you wish. You could go with this melody, but it's nice to have something else to do with your strumming hand. You don't have to think that much about it. So, strumming now. Let's go back to the starting point, the F. Okay, so grab that one. And one strumming round will be down, down, up, clap, down, up. Like this. So, down, down, up, clap, down, up. Okay? So, down, down, up, clap, down, up. You're going to play F for one string around, G, one string around, and A minor 7, 2 rounds. And it goes like that, round and round. Let's go for a couple rounds. F1, G1, A minor 2. Switch it up with some extra spice to it in your own way. That's pretty much Rod Wave's Call Your Friends. Great song, so give it a try, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please show me that. Until next time, play tuned.